Hi everyone, I am back with another video. Welcome back to All Things with Tip. It's Saturday night and I'll be making oven baked sliders. So for this recipe, I used a half white onion. Here you'll see my son and I dicing up the onions. He started out dicing and it was kind of difficult for him to cut it, so I just decided to take over. So here you'll see me adding the ground beef. I used about a little bit over a half a pound. Right here I'm adding my salt, my pepper, my onion powder, my garlic powder, and then I also added some of the onions, maybe a little over half of the onions that I cut up, and mixed it very well with my hands. And once I got done mixing, I washed my hands thoroughly with antibacterial soap. Don't want to spread any germs, guys. So I forgot to add, make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once your meat is patted out, you want to cook it for 20 minutes. After your 20 minutes is up, you want to make sure that you cut the bread in half. You want to lay your cooked patty on the bread. You'll see me spreading out the remainder of the onions that I had left over. After I've done that, I'll start adding cheese. I use two types of cheese. My son wanted like a Chipotle Southwestern cheese on his, and then I just use a regular sharp cheddar cheese on mine. Once it's done, you'll cover it with the top of the bread, put a little butter on top, and put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes to cook. So here's our finished product. I decided to add just some tater tots to go with this tonight. I just want to thank you guys for joining me and watching my video. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe to All Things with Tip. Follow me on Instagram, All Things with Tip. See y'all next time.